How to disconnect Spotify from Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can disconnect Spotify from Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to disconnect your Spotify from Discord, all you have to do is open the Spotify app here, and once you launch the Spotify application you will see this type of interface where if your Discord account is connected to Spotify, you can tap the profile icon from the top left, then go to settings and privacy here, and under settings and privacy you'll find different sort of options over here. So you can see connect to apps, so you can go to connect to apps, and if your, let's say, Discord is connected here, you should be able to disconnect them. The other is if you can go to privacy and social, you should be able to see other options, or you can also just go to the connections tab, and when you go to connections, your Spotify account will get successfully disconnected from your Discord as well. This way you'll be able to disconnect Spotify from Discord. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.